Hello YouTube, it's me, the Mukisa 11. I'm showing you another video of lock extensions. This is a transformation video where I am going to take down and reinstall lock extensions that were made and installed by another stylist. But before I get started, please make sure you hit the like button. Click the notification bell so you can get updates on future uploads. You can always write us below in the comment section with a comment or a question. And if you have any serious inquiries that you would like addressed, please email us at mukisalocs@gmail.com. And that's mukisalocs@gmail.com. And you can check the description box for our contact information. In this video, as you can see, I have already cut down the locks that she had. I left myself enough room so I can pick out her baby locks, basically, because they're not mature. This is what her fro looked like, and I organized the lock extensions that she had by length so that we can put them in her hair in the order that she requested. And we did a random parting brick layered pattern so that it can be as full as possible. My client has naturally fine textured hair, so you will see spaces, but the base is reinforced so that it's thick enough to match the extensions, which are about a small to extra small size. So this is what it looked like when it was all done, nice and layered, overlapped, random parts. She got a 2-strand twist for a curly look, and she's all set and ready to go. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions about our products and services, click below for more information.